So hey everybody, finishing up with the old minivan here, and it's time to head up to AutoZone. We're going to get some parts for the '09 Chevy Cobalt. It's time to get that thing ready for sale. We got to get some struts for it, hubcaps, and then we're going to clean it up and we'll send it on down the line. We have struts. In.
All right, hey, that wasn't too bad. Let's get it out of here, take it for a test drive, and see if we did any good. All right, so we made it back from our test drive. We went ahead and drove it into town, about 45 miles round trip, and it did great. It rides a lot better now. No more noise, no more banging and clanging. I think this thing is going to sell a lot easier now, and I think we'll get a little bit more for it. It was well worth the repair. It was only like 35 bucks a piece for those struts, a couple of hours of my time. It'll make it sell a lot easier, and it's safer. You know, with those struts being the way they were, it wasn't safe. So anyway, we're going to get it in here, get it cleaned up now, and we're going to put it up for sale. All right, you guys, we got her cleaned up, ready to go. We're going to get her up for sale now. I think she turned out pretty good. Apologize for the wind noise. She cleaned up all right. I think she's worth about $2,500 all day long is what I'm thinking. She drives great. I've put probably a good 300 miles on this thing so far. Just out running errands, things like that. Here's a good little trick. You got a dent, you know, just throw your dealer plate right on top of it. No, I'm just kidding. I got in there and I kind of popped a little bit of it out. It's not quite as bad as it was, but that's as good as it's getting. Other than that, the body looks fine. It's not wrecked up. It's not all banged up or anything like that. Paint's in decent shape. I'm not too thrilled with this gigantic, looks like an F-150 stripe on here, but it's gonna stay. We threw some hubcaps on it, brand new struts, brand new sway bar bushings. So she rides down the road nice and quiet. No more banging and clanging or any of that. The interior turned out pretty decent on it. We got the little temporary floor mats in there. I even bought some other floor mats to go under it, front and back. Cleaned up okay. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not all tore up. It's not gross or anything by any means. I mean, look at it. Check it out. It's not bad. I think it's worth $2,500. I'm gonna ask $2,750. See if I can get 25, and that's kind of how this one's gonna go. So hey, I think that's gonna do it on this one. We're gonna get back to the shop, get back on that minivan. You guys following along know that the minivan had an overheating problem. We threw a thermostat in it, so you guys are gonna have to tune into the next video to see if that fixed it or not. I'm gonna leave you guys a little suspense. All right, so anyway, we'll get in there. We're gonna get that one cleaned up, ready to go. I want to thank everybody for following along on the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. We'll see you guys later. And hey everybody, before I get out of here, don't forget to check out my son's channel, Low Love Life. He's working really hard over there on that Chevy Love pickup. He's come a long ways with it. He's just about to have the engine done and put together and ready to go in, so you guys don't want to miss that. And also, I have got a very special announcement. My daughter Michaela has decided to get in on the whole YouTube thing. She just started her own channel. She's going to do videos on her pickup truck that she's building. She's done a lot of good things to it. She just put out her new video, her first video in fact. Go check it out, you guys. The name of the channel is Me, Myself, and Darlene. That is the name of her pickup truck, Darlene. Go check it out. She's got a really cool video out. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. But for now, we're out of here. See you guys next time.